If you want to create a bright neon highlight effect behind your text in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a clean highlighter style box that sits neatly under your text, just like using a marker on paper. This is a simple effect, but it can make your designs look much more professional and readable. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's jump into it. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text is already on the canvas. This technique works best when you already know where your text will sit, because the highlight box will be placed behind it. On the left toolbar, select the rectangle tool. You can usually find it under the shape tools and the shortcut is U. If you don't see it right away, click and hold the shape icon until the menu appears. Then choose the rectangle tool. Now go to the top of the screen and look for the fill box. This is where you choose the color of your shape. For a realistic highlight look, pick a bright neon yellow, lime green, or another bold color that stands out behind your text. The goal is to make the text pop without overpowering it. Once your color is selected, you're ready to draw. Move your cursor over the canvas and draw a rectangle directly over the text area. Don't worry if it covers the text for a moment. At this stage, you're simply creating the highlight shape. Make the box wide enough to sit behind the full word or sentence, and make it a little taller than the letters so it looks like a natural marker stroke. If needed, you can resize it after drawing by selecting the shape and adjusting it. After that, the key step is putting the highlight behind the text. Open your layers panel on the right side of the screen. You should see the new shape layer you just created. Click and drag that layer down until it sits directly underneath your text layer. This is what makes the text appear on top of the bright colored box. If the order is wrong, the highlight will cover the words instead of sitting behind them. Once the layer order is fixed, your highlight effect is complete. You can now move the box slightly if you need better alignment, or duplicate it for more text sections. If you want a cleaner look, try matching the width of the box to the word length, so it feels more like a real highlighter swipe. You can also use different neon colors for different parts of your design if your style allows it. And that's how to highlight text in Photopea using a simple rectangle shape. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and works great for thumbnails, posters, social posts, and any design where you want your text to stand out. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.